Winter mornings are truly special. The golden rays of the sun and its warmth spreads magic in the air. Waking up early just to feel this magic and warmth and to get a glimpse of these little colorful winged angels is truly worth it. And I'm sure everyone feels quite similar. During today's bird watching, I found a shikra, a bird bee-eater, an oriole, a pair of coppersmith barbets, and many more. But in this video, I'll talk particularly about this pretty little bird named as black-rumped flameback woodpecker or Dinopium bengalans or a lesser golden-backed woodpecker. The black-rumped flameback is found widely distributed in the Indian subcontinent. It is one of the few woodpeckers that are seen in urban areas. It has a characteristic rattling, whinnying call and an undulating flight. It is the only golden-backed woodpecker with a black throat and a black rump. The black-rumped flameback is a large species at 26 to 29 cm in length. It has a typical woodpecker shape and the golden yellow wing coverts are distinctive. The rump is black and not red, as in the greater flameback. The underparts are white with dark chevron markings. The black throat, finely marked with white, immediately separates it from the other golden-backed woodpeckers in the Indian region. Like other woodpeckers, this species has a straight pointed bill, a stiff tail to provide support against tree trunks, and zygodactyl feet with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. The long tongue can be darted forward to capture insects. This species is normally seen in pairs or small parties and sometimes joins mixed species foraging flocks. They forage from the ground to the canopy. They feed on insects, mainly beetle larvae from under the bark. Visit termite mounds and sometimes feed on nectar too. They adapt well in human-modified habitats, making use of artificial constructions, fallen fruits, and even fruit scraps. The breeding season varies with weather and is between February and July. They frequently drum during the breeding season. The nest hole is usually excavated by the birds and has a horizontal entrance and descends into a cavity. Sometimes birds may usurp the nest holes of the other birds. Nests have also been noted in mud embankments. The eggs are laid inside the unlined cavity. The normal clutch is 3 and the eggs are elongate with glossy white. The eggs hatch about 11 days after incubation period. The chicks leave the nest after about 20 days. In Sri Lanka, these woodpeckers go by the generic name of Kerala in Sinhala. In some parts of Ireland, it is also known as Kotoruva, although it more often refers to barbets. This bird appears in a 4.50 rupee Sri Lankan postal stamp. It also appears in a 3.75 Taka postal stamp from Bangladesh. Both males and females of this species have prominent crests. The male's crest is bright red, while the female's varies by species and often includes black and white.
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down.
Hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Also, like and subscribe to my channel if you find the videos interesting and informative.